Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker Alt 9 back with another video. 5 days in, we are officially on day 5 of this 31-day sneaker challenge. Man, I appreciate everybody that's been participating in this. Like I said, I didn't create it, obviously. I can't remember. I seen it on Twitter somewhere where I got it from, but it definitely inspired me to add more content to my channel. If you're new to the channel, if you're new, first time ever seeing my page, big button down below. If it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to make this channel grow. Trying to have a big year this year. But anyway, day 5 is going to be specifically targeting runners. So a running sneaker in my collection. The only one of this silhouette that I only have one. And it's the only one that I'll ever own, probably, because it's just that fire. I don't like any of the other colorways, but this one is special. Whoo! Y'all see what it is, man? The Air Max 95 Neon. Now this released in, I don't remember the original release date, but this is the retro from 2020. Me and Jay both have these, and this was an absolute must cop. I want to say this was my number 2 sneaker of that entire year. If the Mocha ones released that year, which are right here, I think those released in 2020 as well, and I made them my number 1. If not for those, these would have been my number 1, and that I'm probably the only person outside of somebody that only likes Air Max sneakers that would have been that high on their list. But that's how highly I feel about this sneaker. The Air Max 95 in the neon colorway was an absolute must cop. When I seen in 2019 that in 2020 these were releasing, I would have paid resale for these. These are up there to me with Jordan 4 breads, Jordan 3 black cements, Concord 11s, bread 11s. These are up there with that type of nostalgic feel to me. So I had to have these, and these were hard to get. I don't even know what the resale is on these. I'm pretty sure it's way over retail for these right now. But I absolutely had to have this sneaker. Shout out, I went and stood in line at JD Sports before they opened with a chair, camped out after I got off work, to make sure I secured our pairs. So yeah, this is gonna be my pick for runners. Like I said, thanks to each and every one of y'all to continue to rock with the channel. Shout out to each one of y'all that's participating in the challenge, man. 1127, I see that you starting it as well. Chance, shout out to you as well, and anybody else that's doing it, man. This is dope. It's fun. Add some content. I love y'all. OVE.